I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every hear the
So it is the end of the day and I completely forgot. Oh my god, my face is so oily. This is a lot going on. I completely forgot to do like a sit down part to this video because I wanted to. However, I just wanted to say that the style that you are either about to see or just saw, because I don't know where I'm going to put this little clip in, is how I wore my hair almost all the time right after I had Isaiah. The first kind of like this type of hair, anything kinky, whatever you want to call it, clip-ins that I wore was from Kinistry, and I've been with them ever since. So this is really for my moms or anyone who needs to grow back their edges. After having Isaiah, I lost all my edges. I'll put a clip like right here, a picture. They were just gone, but I wore my hair like this with these clip-ins to my, like I was in my brother's wedding, I did this style, and I just kind of kept wearing it like this. Hardly ever putting any tension on my, you know, my hairline or any clips right there. And this all covered it. My edges ended up growing back really quickly. You don't have to worry about keeping them laid down, keeping gel on them. All you have to do is just keep massaging your, Jamaican black castor oil. That's what I use, or whatever your preference is, into those edges, your hairline, your nape, and it will grow back so much faster. So also, it did not come out the best. I haven't done this like particular style in so, like, literally it's been like 2 years since I've probably done it. I hope this ended up helping someone. You get the point with it. You know, you see how this is after the end of the day, but you see how the curls come out and how the hair comes out and how you are able to clip forward and cover whatever you need to cover. You don't always have to have a huge leave out or have your edges out or anything like that. So like I said, it didn't come out the best, but you get it, and I'm sure you can make it work. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at JMarie. I hope you liked the video.